Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Ronnie McCoy, and I'm coming to you today to help you get started on stocks, getting the game. I know a lot of people don't really know how to work stocks, and I've been doing this for a few years, so I feel like it's only right that I do my part to help educate as I learn how to benefit, especially now where there's no other opportunity like it has been since '08 to truly benefit as far as flipping your money in the stock market. So the first thing you need to do to get started is to have a brokerage account. A brokerage account is basically an account that allows you to put money into the stock market, buy shares of a company, which is like a percentage of the companies, and you can flip that as the company's shares become more valuable. Won't get into too much of the terms, but the first things first is you need to get a brokerage account. What I recommend for beginners is Robinhood. I'll put the link in my bio where if you click the link and you start that Robinhood account, you will get a free stock to start your account. So I have another account that I'm doing brokerage, but for this particular situation, I want to do something unique, which is help you walk with you trade by trade as we build our account together. The first goal is going to be to get to 10,000. Then the second goal would be to get to 30,000, and then we're going to work our way up to get to 100,000. So I'm going to build my account. I'm going to be very open about what I believe is a good buy, a good sell, and we're going to work our way up through it. Now, first things first is to click the link in my bio to get your account started. Now, if you already have an account, that is fine. You're a little bit ahead of everybody else. That's cool. Now, what I'm gonna put in the account first is $2,500. Now, if you don't have $2,500, that is fine, but you will have to put some more in your account, maybe weekly at a time, to help build it up so you can truly have enough money to flip it into larger amounts. Okay. Now, when you already have your account, it's important to look at a few stocks. There are growth stocks, but as well as pays great dividends. The first stock I want to talk about is Disney. Now, coronavirus is alive and well right now, but we do have a vaccine on the way. But the reason why I want to mention Disney right now is because Disney owns a lot of quality movies that will come out soon. And Disney has a streaming platform that everybody is consuming right now. So Disney now sits at $154.13 today. Get at least one share of Disney if you can come next week. Now, next week there will be I believe it's going to be a sell-off now. I do believe a lot of people are going to start looking to sell their stocks in fear of holiday coronavirus results and stimulus package being slow to come. So there will be a bit of a sale, I do believe, coming up. So if you can't buy Disney or any of these other stocks that I'm speaking on in this video, I do believe you still have time. Do not stress. Don't worry. There'll always be dips. There will always be down days to where you can buy on the dip and get into the game. Remember, it's not a race, it's a marathon. Okay, the next stock I want to talk about is Apple. If you don't have an Apple product, you're probably one of the very few in the US. Most people either have an iPhone or a MacBook or AirPods, or they have an Apple TV. It's just the list keeps going. And as Apple expands their business, which they will, I believe they might even get into the vehicle sector. Hey, you never know. Apple is a good growth product. If you look at it over the stint, it did just split, but over the stint, it's grown. It's grown well too. Despite any economic disasters, it has still climbed the ladder. So Apple is a good stock to have. I recommend you get at least one share. Next stock I want to speak on is Microsoft. Microsoft has your Xbox that is taking the world by storm, along with their PS5. And we are in the holidays as we speak. Today is the 5th, December 5th. It'll behoove you to get a share of Microsoft. Microsoft currently sits at $214. As more sales towards Christmas for this Xbox increase, as well as other plays that Microsoft is working on, you will see the benefit of this stock as it grows and pays. Hey, keep going. Okay, Facebook. Facebook, we all consume. I mean, either you have Facebook, Instagram, and it's continuously buying other businesses. It's making a feature on Instagram that has reels that rivals TikTok. It's constantly finding new ways to stay relevant. Facebook has grown over the years as well. It currently sits at $279.05. You can get one share of this stock and let it grow over time. All right, now lastly is Tesla. This is the more expensive stock. This stock sits at $598.98 a share, but it has a target of at least $720 a share. So as it sits, you have the potential to gain $120 a share if it hits its target after hitting this S&P 500. That is a stock that you definitely need at least one share of. It is continuously growing strong. It has split already, and it may hit 1,000 by the end of next year. So you can more than double your money just by having it sit in Tesla. So those are the 5 stocks that I would believe you should use as the foundation of your account. Now, as time progresses throughout the year, I will show you other plays that would allow you to flip your money a little faster and put a little bit back in those 5 stocks. Because again, the goal is to grow the money over time. We're trying to retire. We don't want to work 30 years. So you got to grow this money over time. So first things first, click the link in my bio, get that Robinhood account, put at least, if you can't do 2,500, do what you can, but do enough to at least, I say 1,000, 1,200 would be a good target. If you can't do 25, if all you have is 500, that's okay, because Robinhood allows you to buy fractional shares. What is a fractional share? A fractional share is when you buy a fraction of a share. So let's say like Disney is $154.13. If you can only buy 50% of that, now you're putting in what is it, $77 in X amount of cents to get half a share. And that's okay, because you're still in the game. The goal is to get in the game. Don't worry, we'll make enough money for you to buy whole shares of those 5 stocks, as well as flip your money on other plays that we'll come up with. But I'm not gonna hold you too long. Just click that link in my bio and get started. And also, I plan on developing a chat, and that chat will probably be in this bio as well. The reason you want to be involved in this chat is because it'll be a more real-time update on the different plays I'm making, when I'm buying, when I'm selling, what I'm looking at as far as the stocks, different news updates, and how it affects the stocks, and more. If you're a rookie trader and you're just starting, this is exactly the chat you need to be able to get the questions that you need answered in real time. Also, if you are a more advanced trader, I also have some tips for you on how to put more money into bigger plays. Well, be on the lookout for that link, and I will get back to you and we can get started next week. Talk to you later.